Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jeff here at Train 4x4 Adventures. Just wanted to share with you a recent experience I went through, a frustrating experience, and I just wanted to come on here for a couple minutes and share this with you in case any of you are experiencing the same issue with your van. I've got a Jayco Terrain and I was having a really odd issue. So I've got the Firefly screen here and I'm running, just sitting at idle with the inverter on. Draw about 1 to 2 amps. I got the refrigerator full of beer, and as it always is. And I was tripping the breaker. Like I would go for hours at a time with a 1 or 2% amp load, and I would trip this 15 amp breaker for no rhyme or reason. Then I'd go for, hours at a time. It wouldn't trip, and then it would trip like every couple of minutes. So be out cooking in the van and got the inductive cooktop on, and I know that starts to drain quite a bit more, but certainly not full 15 amps. And I just kept popping breakers. So I did a little bit of digging, talked to Lance over at Nomad Link Outfitters, and we kind of surmised that it likely could be just a breaker, that I've got a bad breaker in the van. So I just kind of want to walk you through that process. I did find the exact breaker at Home Depot. It cost about 60 bucks. Ran down there, picked one up, and then I also had to pick up a number 2 square bit to be able to secure the wires onto that breaker. So picked up that tool as well. And so I just want to come on here for just a minute and just show you that process. If you're experiencing the same thing, could be that you've got something simple as a bad breaker. It could be something that you've got something more serious and other electrical issues or a short. So quick disclosure, I am not a van electrician. I'm not a professional electrician. I'm a guy with a van. I just wanted to share my experience with you. And in my case, fortunately, it was just a 10-minute swap out of the breaker. I did this about 2 weeks ago and it has not tripped since. So let me go down and show you the process. Quite simple. Again, if you have to do this as well, hopefully it'll be easy for you to do. So here's the breaker, and it just clips in at the top and pops out. It's really simple to get in and out. And so here's your breaker panel here, and it was this third one from the right is the one that kept tripping. So just 4 screws to take this panel off, and it pops out. You've got 2 wires that go in here, and then you've got this wire that goes down to, I believe it's a neutral strip down at the bottom to put it in. So super simple installation. There's a look at the type of breaker this thing is. Again, I'm not an electrician, but I found this to be a piece of cake. I shut down the entire battery system to make sure that electricity was off on the van. So I shut down the whole power system, following the Jayco Terrain procedures to make sure that that was all good. Did the swap out, restarted the battery, and like I said, things have been working just fine ever since. So pain in the butt little problem. super simple solution. So just getting rid of this guy. Like I said, it was about 60 bucks just at my local Home Depot. So easy fix. Just wanted to thank Lance again over at Nomad Link Outfitters. Always trust him. He is an expert in this space, and he was the one that also confirmed the likelihood that this is probably an easy fix, and it was. So anyhow, so hopefully you found this video to be helpful and informative. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And we hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon. Take care, everybody.